Well, hello, folks. Welcome to the new video about the guitar I made last. This is well, I haven't named it yet, but this is number 9. I built this baby. The mic is weird because it's pointed at a way that sounds good for the guitar. I also just realized my blue jeans, you see how like I'm slightly transparent? It's not because I'm dying. I have the blue filter set on, you know, the green screen. Make sense of that. We're gonna play a new song that I wrote. Wow, messed up a lot. Well, that's it. My tongue really hurts. Have a good day. Thank you all for watching, and I hope to see you in a future build video.